at Dolly's ranch. In Texas. Scene 1, Present Perfect Review. And Introduction to Present Perfect Continuous.
Hey boss, would you like some help?
Sure. I could use some help. And someone to talk with.
So, what have you already done?
I've already seasoned the steaks, but I haven't seasoned the chicken yet.
Okay, I will season the chicken. So, how are you enjoying your vacation here?
It's great. It's very beautiful and calm here. And the best part is that I get to see Dolly every day.
So, Dolly, tell us more about yourself.
Well, I live here on the ranch and I've lived here since I was born.
So is this your family's ranch?
Yes, this ranch has been in my family for generations already.
Oh, that's so cool. It must be so nice to live here, surrounded by this great landscape.
Yeah, it is. But it's a lot of work too. And I've worked here my whole life.
But you enjoy it, don't you?
Yeah, I do. I love working here and all the experiences I've already had. I've already grown a lot of vegetables and fruits. I've helped animals to give birth many times and I've raised them. I've ridden horses many times. And I've seen many sunsets.
Present Perfect Review.
I've already seasoned the steaks.
Eu já temperei os bifes.
I love working here and all the experiences I've already had.
Eu adoro trabalhar aqui e todas as experiências que eu já tive.
I've already grown a lot of vegetables and fruits.
Eu já cultivei muitos vegetais e frutas.
I've helped many animals to give birth. And I've raised them.
Eu já ajudei muitos animais a dar à luz e já os criei.
I've ridden horses many times.
Eu já andei de cavalo. Muitas vezes.
I've seen many sunsets.
Eu já vi muitos pores do sol.
But I haven't traveled much. I wish I could travel more often. But I loved it when I traveled to New Orleans and I found the love of my life.
Don't worry, honey. We will travel together many times.
I'd really love that.
We've traveled together many times.
Yeah, we have. We've been to many places together, and we will go to many more, babe.
So how long have you dated?
We've dated for 3 years. I've been to London and met her parents.
Podemos usar o Present Perfect Simple para duas situações. 1. Para coisas que já fizemos na vida.
I've been to London and met her parents. Eu já estive em Londres e conheci os pais dela.
2. Coisas que começaram no passado e continuam acontecendo.
How long have you dated?
Há quanto tempo vocês namoram?
We've dated for 3 years. Nós já namoramos há 3 anos.
Para essa situação, eu também posso usar um outro tipo de
Present perfect.
chamado de
Present perfect continuous.
How long have you been dating?
We've been dating for 3 years.
Present perfect simple.
usado para várias situações, como por exemplo, o que uma pessoa já fez na vida, ou o que uma pessoa tem feito.
Structure. Subject. Plus have or has. Plus third form verb. Present perfect continuous.
Usado apenas para uma situação, o que uma pessoa tem feito.
Structure. Subject. Plus have or has. Plus been. Plus verb with ing. Let's focus only on this for the next scene. Scene 2, present perfect continuous.
So, Emma, are you and your family from the UK?
Yes, we are. But I moved here to the USA 5 years ago. So I've been living in the USA for 5 years. Dolly, how long have you and Eli been dating?
We have been dating for almost 1 year. We started dating 1 week after we met at the Mardi Gras in New Orleans.
Yeah, it was love at first sight. We've been enjoying each other's company since then.
Eli has been helping me a lot here on the ranch these days.
Well, I try to help, but I still have a lot to learn.
But he has been doing it pretty well. He has been feeding the animals. He has been milking the cows. He has even been helping me to control the cattle.
Hey, boss, you're becoming quite the cowboy, huh?
Well, kind of. But I've been working as a rancher these days and I've been enjoying it.
Hey guys, I'm getting hungry. We've been having a great conversation, but we haven't been eating since this morning. Is there any meat yet?
Sorry, sis, not yet. We put the meat on the grill just 3 minutes ago. So it's been cooking for just 3 minutes.
Dolly, we love your ranch.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
It's been so great to relax here this weekend. I really needed a break.
How come?
How come?
Por quê? Como assim?
Repeating.
It's been so great to relax here this weekend. I really needed a break.
How come?
Well, this month has been crazy. I've worked a lot this month. I've been working a lot this month. I got a very difficult case. I've been working on it very hard.
Sorry to interrupt, but we need to go back to the barbecue grill.
Yeah, the grill has been cooking the meat for a while now. We should check.
Honey, can you help us?
Sure, honey. Excuse me, girls.
Scene 3, conclusion.
Mary, are you still looking for a new job?
Yes, I am. I've been trying to get a job in a hotel somewhere.
And how has it been going?
Well, I've been sending my resume to a lot of places, but just one hotel has called me for an interview yet.
And have you been to the interview yet?
Yes, I have. The interview was last week.
And how was it?
Well, they liked me and even offered me a job.
Oh, that's great.
But I didn't accept it.
Oh, how come?
The salary wasn't good enough for my experience level.
Oh, well, I'm sure you'll get better offers soon.
Yes, but I've been looking for a new job for months already. I've been getting frustrated with it. Anyway, how about you? How are things at the pet shop?
Oh, things have been great. I've been getting a lot of new customers lately.
Really? What animals have people been buying?
Oh, they have been buying many breeds of dogs, especially bulldogs and cocker spaniels. And a lot of people have been buying birds too, especially sparrows and parrots.
What about toys?
Oh, toys too. I've been selling a lot of toys. I've also been selling a lot of food packages and protection gates. Yummy! These sticks look and smell great. Let's eat!